How do you fix overlapping lines in Python line graphs? Have you ever looked at a line graph and found it hard to tell which line is which? Overlapping lines can make it tricky to understand the data being presented. Let's talk about how to fix that issue in Python. First, one effective method is to adjust line transparency. By setting the alpha parameter, you can make lines semi-transparent. For example, if you are using the Matplotlib library, you can set the alpha value to something like 0.15. This allows overlapping lines to be seen through each other, making it easier to distinguish them. Next, consider using different line styles and widths. Mixing solid, dashed, and dotted lines can help differentiate overlapping lines. By varying the width of the lines, you can also make it easier to track each one individually. Another simple solution is to change the colors of the lines. Assigning distinct colors that contrast well with each other can significantly improve clarity. Make sure to choose colors that are easy to differentiate to avoid confusion. If the lines representing similar data points, you might want to offset one line slightly along the X or Y axis. This small adjustment can visually separate the lines and make the graph easier to read. You can also use faceting or small multiples. Instead of plotting all lines on the same axes, create multiple subplots, each showing a subset of lines. Libraries like Seaborn offer a facet grid feature that helps you achieve this. This way, you can avoid clutter and present data in smaller, more digestible graphs. Interactive plots are another great option. Using libraries like Plotly allows users to toggle the visibility of lines, zoom in, or hover for details. This interactivity can help reduce the impact of overlapping lines and make the data more accessible. Lastly, if you decide to add markers to your lines, do so sparingly. While markers can help identify lines, too many can create clutter. Use them selectively to maintain a clean look. Here's a practical example using Matplotlib to reduce overlapping lines by setting alpha. You can start by importing Matplotlib and defining your data points. For instance, if you have two lines, you can plot them with a semi-transparent setting. This way, both lines will be visible, even in overlapping areas. By applying these techniques, you can fix overlapping lines in Python line graphs effectively. Adjusting visual properties such as transparency, color, style, and layout will help you create clear and effective data visualizations. This is essential when working with Python for data analysis and visualization.